Hello. So I'm gonna teach you how to basically clear up this list. So the first step, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna transfer all these from right here into this format. So right here is the phone number. So you'll go right here, cut, paste, and then first name, cut, paste, last name, cut, paste, and then
Hey, Giannis Jose.
basic pretty much.
How you were doing. I hope everything is. I hope all is well with you.
Leave it blank. Go to.
touch base
We don't have fax numbers.
You have planned as far as
Email. Do we have any email?
emails?
No emails. Address. So the address we will add on here.
We can help you out. But yeah, I'll try to reach out.
Oh, the address. This one. Cut.
551-4911. Look forward to speaking to you. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.
And then the city. Cut. Paste. State. And the zip code. Okay, so that's the first step. Okay, and then so since we have multiple numbers for the same person, we'll just keep doing like this. Cut and paste right here. Cut and paste right here. And then from there, we're done, correct? So we'll just drag the first name, last name, okay, so this is wrong. It has to be the same. If y'all have a better way to do this, y'all do it. I'm not the best at this. Okay, so we'll just go to the next person and do the same thing pretty much. Alright, and y'all just let me know if y'all have any questions.